Hello friends, welcome to Modpunk Design with Rila Ghosh from New Delhi. Just got badly hit by a viral and just uh, today is the third day when I'm feeling a little okay. So I thought that let me just do the needful, showcase some of the saris to you as the festivals are approaching. And so today I thought that I can just show you a Bengal collection. So let's start with the first sari. This is a Bengal handloom sari. It's Tangail weave only. This is a Tangail weave only. People are calling it cotton baluchari and a lot of other things, but there is nothing baluchari. I mean, baluchari is always woven in pure silk in Bishopur. They are GI tagged there, so we cannot call these as baluchari, but these are normal Tangail saris. So these are woven in the Fulia district of Bengal. So this is the palla, and that is the body motif. The front part has this body motif, and so that's the beautiful woven palla, full woven palla like this, very nicely done. And so what I have given this hand block patterns, hand block designs like this. So this comes like this. So these are the hand block designs which we have done along with the along with the lower border is woven, and these kind of bootas are woven booties, and so we have given this. So the sari gets a complete new look. So that is the look of the sari. Very pretty and very nice. And this is the blouse piece. The blouse piece also has a lovely hand block print, lovely hand block print like this. So and the two borders, the red border up and down, so these are woven borders both sides. Okay, so that is the price range of this sari is 485 4800. So that is the sari, that is the look of the sari. And so that is very nice cotton, very lovely cotton, and very, there's you would get many varieties of this cotton textured saris, but this is beautiful texture, lovely beautiful texture. So this is a premium quality texture in cotton, and see, it's completely hand woven, if you can see the buttas. So that is the sari. You can, it's a fascinating color in dhania khali. We don't get to see such colors very often. So this is a very nice color combination. See the color combination in dhania khali. It's going so well with my, with my top. It is so well, going so well. Very smart color. So it's like a double color. This is a sea green kind of a color, and it's a lemon color. So that's the whole body combination. And see the weave. See the weave. That is also very nice. Lovely done. That's also very nice. So this kind of weaving, this kind of multiple weaving are done. So these are all in handloom jacquard. All these weaving are all in handloom jacquard. So that is the complete sari. That is the complete sari. These saris don't come with their own blouse piece. So that's the very smart color, very smart color, and lovely combination. So I have given a very striking hand block printed blouse piece with this. It's a very striking blouse piece I have teamed with the sari. See how striking this blouse piece is with the sari. It looks so smart, so nice. Okay, so this this sari is priced at 2550. This sari and this blouse piece. Third combination in this dhania khali is this very nice red and black combination. Very smart. Yeah. So this also has this woven stripes. So it's like this. Very smart and very nice and lovely to drape. It just falls on your body like a pure cream. Absolutely. How nice, moisturizer, or how nice lotions, just fall on your skin. So this also does the same thing. And so that is the, so that's the sari look of the sari. lovely. They see the weave, again the same weave in the previous sari, only the colors are changed. So that's the combination. And I have given a very attractive blouse piece with this. This is a hand block blouse piece with this. So that is the sari and this is the blouse piece. It's 2550. 2550. And this would the shipping would come addition to this. The shipping would come addition to this. This is a Begumpuri. This is a Begumpuri sari with a fantastic block printing work. This is a Begumpuri sari with a fantastic block printing work. So you can see the block printing. This is the block. This is the block printing, and that's the weave. This part is the weave, and so this is completely weave and block printing like this. And so that is the, and then we come to the body part. So the body has this kind of a upper block printed उमेश होगा उसको बोल दो ऑफिस चला जाए. This is the body part and middle body, and this is the lower print. So what I have done, can you see the difference? Can you see the difference? What the different designing I have done in this? This is a yellow border where I have given the red filling with white outline. This is the red border. I have given a yellow filling with white outline. So this part contrasts, this part contrasts. See? So this is the contrasting. So this is where we are so blessed to, to give our own designs and combines, combine the latest kind of very designer kind of a look. And see the sari, how lovely it is looking, how beautiful it is looking. So that is the sari. क्यों बुला रहे थे ऐसे ही तो बोल. So that is the sari. Okay, beautiful. It's a special look of the sari. Yes. And this is the Orissa Ikat blouse piece we have teamed up with the sari. This is an Orissa Ikat blouse piece which we have teamed up with the sari. So that is this sari is priced at 3850. So that is the complete sari. Very traditional, again a dhania khali. So very traditional dhania khali. This is that South, Chettinad Mubagam kind of a concept where there are three parts: the first part, second part, third part. So what I have done in this, I have given two block print colors in both the parts. The center is black, so I have given this part as in the rust color. This is in sea green color. So this is the sari combination, and so that is the palla. Very pretty palla. And I have always shown you that the real dhania khali, if it's a real weave, it will have that. This is that, dhanir shish, what we call this one, dhanir shish. Yeah, this one. So it is that VVV pattern. So that's the wheat plant look when the wheat is formed and looks in the the cereal. The plant looks like that. The wheat comes out as VVVV like this. So that's in Bengali we call it dhanir shish. From there the dhania khali pattern actually has emerged. Okay, so this is the sari and this is the blouse piece. So that's the blouse piece of the sari. So this is the blouse piece with hand block, and this is also, it's a handloom cotton. It's a complete handloom cotton. So the other side has this border. This is an ilkal cotton, material, and all woven in Bagalkot district of North Karnataka. And so this is the blouse piece, and that is the sari. Okay, so this is priced at 3850. Another fascinating combination of Begumpuri sari. So this is a very pretty Begumpuri sari. One can just understand the full the border of the sari is like this. The palla is totally woven. Palla is totally woven, and then I have given this hand block patterns. This hand block pattern. See the hand block pattern. How majestic are the hand block pattern, and then then comes the pleats. Then comes the pleat of the sari. So it's basically the whole sari. It's just open, so you can have a very nice look of the sari. So this is the pleat part. So in the pleat part I have given a complete ajrak hand block pattern, ajrak design. These are all our own wood carved blocks. So we have given this block combination. So see the sari, see the pattern of the sari. So this is like this. Can you see this border? The block. These are, one is filled block and one is just the outline. So that way we have given the combination. One is filled, one is outline. One is filled, one is outline. So the columns, and these are the woven lines. These are the woven lines. These are the woven lines. These are the so that way the whole combination has come. Very smart and very majestic one. This kind of saris definitely are so completely unique and very own of Mopong design. So I can vouch for it actually. So this is the blouse piece. This is a Pedna Kalamkari blouse piece. So basically ours is a crafty tale. On handloom we develop various crafts. So this is a Pedna Kalamkari blouse piece, and that is the sari. The sari and the blouse costs 5800. 5800. White and off-whites are my fascination, so I can't really move myself from that. So this is another very beautiful handloom sari. This is another very beautiful handloom sari, and it's in a geometrical form. So this has, see, this is the palla of the sari. This is the palla of the sari, and this is completely hand woven. It's totally hand woven. These boxes. I can show you the back of the weaving also. So this is lovely yellow, beautiful yellow color. Whoever loves yellow color can just pick up. So that's a lovely yellow sari with nice temple, this kind of temple border woven. And so the sari has woven checks and small booties all over the body. Small booties all over. So that's the pleats. That's the pleat part. And that is the blouse piece has what I have given, matching with the checks at the matching with the boxes in the palla. I have given this block printing so that the blouse also has a nice matching. So this is this color, and another sari is of 3650. 3650 is the price for this one. And another sari in this is this peach color. This is in peach, deep peach color, peach orange kind of a shade. That's also a very nice color, short color actually. This is a short color, peach orange. So this is like this. Again, lovely, beautiful, palla, woven palla, and that is the whole sari. So this is the whole sari. Whole sari has small buttas, front and back, completely. So this is the whole sari, and again what I have done for the blouse piece part, I have given this kind of a block printing, so that block printing will match your palla. So this is for again 3650. So these two saris are for 3650, very pretty saris.